I want to thank everybody so much for being here to celebrate Coralpalooza and World Oceans Day. That's super exciting. And, you know, as we can tell from the giant scissors, the opening of our newly renovated Exploration Center. Super excited about this. It's been a long time coming. We all know the Florida Reef Tract is the heart of life here in the Florida Keys. And this, the Coral Restoration Exploration Center, is the heart of our efforts to protect and restore this precious ecosystem. And that's why we're all here today. It's our sincere hope, the hope of everyone at CRF, that this Exploration Center will serve as a hub of inspiration, a chance to demonstrate the power of empowering people through knowledge by working together and taking a collaborative, large-scale, direct action to change our world and restore coral reefs both here in Florida as well as throughout the world. So we're excited for this to be the center of world coral conservation here in the Florida Keys.
Woo.
Amen. Amen. So that's it. Thank you all so much for your support. I hope you have a delightful day, have had a chance to go out on some of the boats, and certainly stay for a little while afterwards to learn a little bit more about what we do here at the Coral Restoration Foundation. So, with this,
that's it. Yeah.
I would like Derek.
Hold it. I mean, go ahead, but
Our
just hold it.
education manager. I get to.
Yeah. So we're going to do a couple.
You might want to do like I am doing.
Okay.
Like put it like that so that the picture.
No, I thought mine was just ceremonial.
Hold on.
Let's do
We're
it
going
well.
to do a couple just stage pictures.
All right.
And then we're going to do a count of three. And when I say on the count of three, when I do that, then we're going to cut the ribbon.
Okay.
So, David, we ready? So we're going to go 1, 2, cut, 3.